Man, you definitely can't beat the sunshine. Whew. Hey, namaskar everyone, how are you? Hopefully everybody's been doing fantastic. Listen, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. I hope you're gonna stick around. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. As always, welcome back means what? It means we're on another adventure, and that also means that you're gonna wanna know two things. You're gonna wanna know where we are and what we're doing. Well, I'm still in Florida, the Sunshine State. I think this, well, I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow morning, but by the time this is posted, I'm already home. But where are we? Last video I did, we were in Punta Gorda. Today, we are in the city of Palms. Now, if you don't know what the city of Palms is, that is Fort Myers, Florida. Edison, Ford, really good friends, side-by-side neighbors, you know the whole story. But what are we gonna do today in the city of Palms? This isn't really, actually, I don't think my other video was really a happy video either. It's kind of like the, you know, history. That's why I did that last video of mine. But today, we are in Centennial Park. And there's the plaque for Centennial Park right there. Now, I didn't plan on coming here, to be honest with you. Told you I was down here because my son's graduating today, and actually graduated right over there in that building, the Calusa Sound building. I forget what it's actually called, but graduation's over. That's my last kid to graduate from high school. Now we still have a college kid that's going to graduate, but high school is done. But what are we doing in Centennial Park today? We're gonna do a walkthrough, okay? And it's kind of, it's heartfelt, it's grim. It's been 6 or 7 months after Hurricane Ian, and he really voiced his opinion when he came in. But we're gonna do a walk around in Centennial Park, actually on the outskirts of Centennial Park. This is actually Centennial Park right here where I'm looking at, okay? Centennial Park. But as you'll see, between here and that high-rise building over there, that was like, I guess, the marina area. We're gonna do a little walkthrough and see just what is left 6 months later after Hurricane Ian. Now just keep in mind when we do this, this is I believe 6 months, maybe 7, but this is 6 months, 7 months after the hurricane hit. So just imagine what it was like those months ago. So if you're ready for today's adventure, I suggest you get off the couch, you get ready, and let's go. We are right here. Right here. That is fantastic. Oh shoot. Look at all of them. I think they're ready to kick my ass. Harden saliva. You're okay. You're okay for watching my channel.
Jesus God, Mamma Mia, look what we got.
Shh. I said there's people still sleeping. Calm down. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. I told you she was afraid of bridges.
Do not. Stop it now.
That is the starting point of the trail. I guess. I don't know. You can start at the beginning or you can start at the end. I don't think it matters where you start at. But wherever you start, that's your starting point. Oh, shit. That's why I tell you, if anybody's looking for an HJ, this is the spot. Take a sip. History. Better Malanga. All right. Well, I talked to some people back home, and I guess it's a cool 60 degrees back home. It's 90 something here, so I'm all up in my glory. Yeah, I love Fort Myers. Fort Myers is nice. Now, I was here early, I'm not gonna lie, because we actually seen a manatee not far from here. It was just right out there. We seen a manatee, and we were gonna go to Manatee Park and do some kayaking, and okay, and but we didn't do that. We didn't get to do that, but we've seen an actual manatee out here in the Gulf, so that was cool. I'm still looking for him. Mindy was excited. She was actually the one that spotted it. And no, she's not with me right now because it's hot and she doesn't like the heat. But not a lot of history today. I'm not talking about a lot of history. We know that we're in Fort Myers, the Palm City. We know that Hurricane Ian hit 6 or 7 months ago, and we're just going to explore what is left in just this little area. Now, before anybody says anything, I did look around. Like I said, I was here a little bit earlier. I did look around. Now, there is a gate here, but look at this. It's not closed. It's just open. And I didn't see no trespassing sign, so I don't know. Of course, man, look at that. Just everything that washed up here. And it's clean, and this has been cleaned up some. But again, I don't condone trespassing or taking things when you're doing your urbex exploring. Of course, this isn't really urbex, but yeah, never take anything, never destroy anything. Go in, document, and that's that. But yeah, look, this was like the Marina area. There's Joe's Crab Shack over there. That is still open, I believe. Yeah, I think we're gonna come down that side. We're just gonna do like a little block area here. Boy, look at that view over there. Look at that. Oh my God. Always watch your step. Yeah, look at this is just a little part of what Hurricane Ian did down here by Centennial Park. All the rubble. Crane. There's a boat out there still. Look at the dock. It's missing, and a bunch of it went up. Everything pushed up into that area. And actually, if you go on the other side of this building over here, there's some sailboats and some tiki bars that are just you know, all up on shore and everything. But man, look at this. Wow, how crazy. We're not gonna walk out on any of these or any. Oh, right there. Look at this thing right there, man. An iguana. No crap. No crap. Love nature in my videos. Check them out. Wow. Man, that's awesome. But over there, there's a boat still in the water. There's a pelican up there on top. There's a couple of them over there. Wow. That is crazy. What I am gonna do, I dig that. See, we don't see, if you're from Florida, you see this all the time. I don't, so I think it's freaking awesome. Look at him. I don't want him coming after me. Hey, buddy. Oh man, yeah. Don't come running after me. That is awesome. Well, it'd be great if I seen the manatee right there. But let's venture in a little bit and see what we can see through here. Yeah, there's Joe's Crab Shack, and that's still open over there. And again, I'm not going into any of this stuff. I'm just walking through. Yeah, look at, there's another boat in the water over there. Halfway in the water, some of the docks that just floated through in there. Look at the destruction. Wow. It's a pontoon boat. Man. Wow. Yeah, these are the docks right here that washed up. Tackle box. Yeah, again, I'm not touching anything. You know, I want to document the area here. And this is 6 months. 6 months after. Yeah, there's that boat over there. Man, look at all of them just floating out there. Everything was just rammed up in here. Yeah, see, like over there, all that area, just everything was pushed up. Sailboat right there. Sailboat right there leaning. Bigger boat behind it. Dump truck. And I think that's pretty new over there. So maybe that was just built. I don't know if it was or not. Man, this is really something to see this firsthand. Yeah, all these little docks and whatnot. Here's another sailboat. Wow. Look at that. How sad. Wow. Look, there's a boat sitting up there. That's the sequel behind this little one. Another sailboat right here. Man. It's the top part of the cabin laying right there. Look at that. The sequel just sitting there. Just sitting there. Man, that's just oh, wow. All this devastation, man. That looks like a top to a boat right there. It would have been. Got a trailer sitting here. That might have been like a little office or whatever. I don't know what it was. There's that boat out there again. Yeah, look at that. It's just, that is crazy. That is insane. So yeah, I think, oh, check that bird out right there. I think really that's our walkthrough. We'll keep going, and on our way back, you know, I won't stop filming until I get out. But this is crazy. This is insane. Wow. I just can't believe that this is just still left, and you know, it's probably been cleaned up somewhat from what happened. And actually, if you're from Florida and you experienced any of the destruction or went through it, put it in the comments. You know, because people that aren't from down here, we have no idea what going through a hurricane is like. Yeah, there's a fence. I don't know if that was, well, no, that was probably like that right there, that fence part. I was gonna say maybe somebody ruined it to climb over here. Yeah, not a long video, kind of a short video, but a just a glimpse of what these people down south here in Florida, in Fort Myers, dealt with. You know, and all I know right now is that it's 90 degrees, it's sunny out, it's you know, the weather's fine, everybody's doing their own thing. And just 6 short months ago, this was just a big storm through here. Yeah, see, they were obviously cleaning up. Look at that, there's that pontoon boat again. Wow. The devastation is crazy. So there's 2 things so far down in Florida on my videos. I told you, man, my videos that I made so far down here, and this is the only, I'm probably only making the 2. And yeah, they just things that I can't relate to, and I'm not going to go in here either. I don't want to, because I don't actually know if we're allowed back in here or not. But this is the inside of, I know it's the bathrooms on the other side, but this would have been you know, maintenance garage maybe. Little bird, he's don't yep, there's 3 of them over there. Yep, man. And there we go. That was the little, and we made it. We didn't get yelled at by no one. The cops didn't show up. Again, if there would have been a sign, no trespassing, being that I'm not from here, I probably wouldn't have went in there. Yep, but there it is. I got to show you inside a little part of I'm gonna call it Centennial Park. I know that's not really Centennial Park, that's the marina over there, but if you want to know kind of precisely where I am, this right here is Centennial Park. Whew. And it's hot. Yeah, so that was I mean, I did more on my Florida trip, but son graduated, and I was gonna do a video. Actually, I was gonna do a video on Fort Myers Beach. I was there yesterday, and a lot of destruction still there. A lot of the buildings aren't there anymore. There, you'll look in the woods, you know, the trees and stuff, and the boats are still in the trees and whatnot. So again, but graduation happened, and I kind of walked a little bit, and I was like, I seen some, you know, I seen the crane, and I seen that boat out there, and I was like, I gotta go check this out. And that's what happened. And I was like, you know what, let me make a video so I can show everybody what is left in this general area. There you go. Be great, don't hate. Good good lesson. And I don't know, were all these like this? Were these docks or something? They must have been. They must have been docks over here, right? Wow. So yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna end the video, because I think we're gonna go have some cake and pizza and go swimming in the pool, I guess. But you hear the sounds? Oh man, that's awesome. That is great. Again, though, let me show you the plaque of where I am in case you come down here. I don't know how much will be cleaned up if you do come down here, you know, at any time, but there we are, Centennial Park. So I want to thank everybody for coming on today's adventure with me. I do appreciate it. Like and subscribe, please, and also leave a comment. I read all the comments and I try to answer all of them. I haven't gotten to them in the past week because I've been down here and I didn't bring my laptop. I only wanted to have a small bag for carry-on. But yeah, like, subscribe, share, comment, and until I see you all on the next adventure, wherever that may be, Vermalinge.